What if I told you that a seemingly innocent snack could hold the key to your health and also pose hidden dangers? That's right. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pumpkin seeds, those little green powerhouses that are often overlooked. You might think they're just a tasty treat, but the truth is, they can be both a boon and a bane for your body. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds, from boosting your immune system to promoting youthful skin. But hold on, there's a twist. We'll also reveal the critical moments when these seeds can turn from a health ally into a potential threat. What should you watch out for? How can you enjoy them safely? We'll break down the best ways to incorporate them into your diet while steering clear of the pitfalls. And trust me, you won't want to miss the shocking facts we've uncovered about the right and wrong ways to consume these seeds. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a surprising tip that could change the way you snack forever. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of pumpkin seeds? Let's get started. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, have a fascinating history. They originated in ancient Latin America, where they were highly valued, not just as a food source, but as a powerful medicinal remedy. In fact, ancient civilizations used them to fortify the body and promote healing. Today, pumpkins are grown worldwide, but the true treasure lies in their seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses have evolved from a traditional medicine to a global superfood celebrated for their ability to support health, youthfulness, and even beauty. Now, let us uncover why they are called a superfood and why you should include them in your diet today. Top health benefits of pumpkin seeds. 1. Zinc as an immunity booster. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds, around 30 grams, provides 70% of your daily zinc needs. Zinc plays a critical role in strengthening your immune system, maintaining bone density, and reducing inflammation. It also contributes to healthier skin, stronger nails, and better digestion. 2. Natural parasite fighter. Pumpkin seeds contain cucurbitacin, a unique compound found in the seed's outer shell. This substance is harmless to humans, but works to paralyze intestinal parasites, helping your body eliminate them naturally. 3. Magnesium for heart and bone health. A 30-gram serving provides nearly half your daily magnesium needs, an essential mineral for heart function, bone strength, and physical energy. 4. Fiber-rich for digestive health. These seeds are a natural source of fiber, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. If you are aiming to reach the recommended 30 grams of fiber per day, pumpkin seeds can help you get there. 5. Gender-specific benefits. For men, zinc and antioxidants support prostate health and can improve sperm quality. For women, omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds can ease menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats while promoting radiant skin and strong hair. 6. Cancer prevention. Pumpkin seeds contain potent antioxidants, zinc and calcium, which may help reduce the risk of cancers, especially esophageal cancer. Potential risks and contraindications. While pumpkin seeds are undoubtedly healthy, they are not for everyone. Here are a few risks to keep in mind. Stomach sensitivities. Overeating pumpkin seeds can worsen conditions like ulcers or acid reflux due to their tendency to increase stomach acid production. High calorie count. With 560 calories per 100 grams, these seeds are calorie-dense. If you are watching your weight, portion control is crucial. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may have an allergy to pumpkin seeds. Always test a small amount first if you are trying them for the first time. Potential risks and contraindications of pumpkin seeds. A scientific perspective. Pumpkin seeds, cucurbita pepo, while widely regarded as a nutrient-dense food, can present potential risks when consumed excessively or by individuals with specific sensitivities. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. Research has shown that the high fiber content in pumpkin seeds, while beneficial for digestive health, may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea, when consumed in large amounts. Excessive fiber intake can exacerbate pre-existing digestive conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, Slavin, 2013. 2. Allergic reactions. Although rare, pumpkin seeds can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Symptoms may include itching, swelling, respiratory difficulties, or anaphylaxis. A study on seed allergies highlighted that cross-reactivity between pumpkin seeds and other seeds, e.g. sunflower or sesame, may occur, especially in individuals with existing seed allergies. Boy, 2012. 3. Calorie density and weight gain. With approximately 560 calories per 100 grams, pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense. Overconsumption, particularly without considering portion sizes, can contribute to caloric surplus and subsequent weight gain. Fogelholm et al., 2012. This is especially relevant for individuals on calorie-restricted diets. 4. Stomach acid and ulcers. The oil content in pumpkin seeds may stimulate gastric acid production. For individuals with conditions like peptic ulcers or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, this could potentially aggravate symptoms, Quigley et al., 2006. 5. Heavy metal contamination. A lesser-known risk is contamination with heavy metals such as cadmium or lead, especially in seeds sourced from regions with high environmental pollution. Regular consumption of contaminated seeds could lead to heavy metal accumulation in the body, posing long-term health risks. Jerup, 2003. How to choose and store pumpkin seeds. Choosing high-quality pumpkin seeds is key to enjoying their benefits. Look for intact green seeds with a shiny, smooth surface. Avoid seeds that are cracked, brown, or have a musty smell, as these are signs of spoilage. Store seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to keep them fresh and nutrient-rich. How much to eat and best practices. How much is too much? Let us break it down. Adults should aim for 30 to 50 grams per day, around 40 seeds. The best way to eat them is raw and on an empty stomach for maximum nutrient absorption. Tip: avoid eating more than 20 seeds in one sitting to prevent digestive discomfort. Easy and delicious recipes. Ready to add pumpkin seeds to your diet? Here are 3 simple ways. First, super smoothie. Blend 1 tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds with banana, yogurt, spinach, and honey for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Second, salad topper. Add a handful of roasted seeds to a fresh vegetable salad for extra crunch and a burst of flavor. Third, homemade pumpkin seed butter. Grind raw seeds in a blender with olive oil, garlic, and spices. Use it as a dip, spread, or sauce for pasta. Conclusion: pumpkin seeds are a true superfood, rich in nutrients, versatile in recipes, and beneficial for both your physical and mental health. However, like all good things, moderation is key to enjoying their benefits without any downsides. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips on healthy living. Question of the day: how do you include pumpkin seeds in your meals? Share your favorite recipes or experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.